What's up YouTube? This is Jason here with RedBeeLabs and welcome to another video. If you're new to the channel and enjoy content like this, please click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out any new content I release. Okay, so for the big reveal, I am about to unbox the Galaxy Z Fold 2 5G. Oh, I have been waiting for this to come, and we're gonna get into the unboxing right now. All right, we have the Z Fold 2 5G. I got it in Mystic Bronze. Gotta go with the brand new colors. I'm gonna break out the unboxing knife. And let's flip it over. And just a little bit of tape right here. I'm gonna be gentle with it. Gentle, bang. And then a little bit of tape over here. Okay, let's put that knife over there. Switch it over here. And then you push it out. Push. Boom. I'm gonna put this over here, guys. Put it right there. Ooh, very nice. I mean, their whole presentation is very nice. I mean, I love the, like, I guess it's like a little butterfly thing going on here. It's beautiful. All right, let me open her up. Boom. Just the presentation. I mean, Samsung, way to go on the presentation. All right, it says, change the shape of the future. Introducing the Galaxy Z Fold 2 5G. Reimagine the possibilities of the smartphone experience. Unlock endless versatility and enjoy unrivaled engineering and craftsmanship. Welcome to the new mobile era. They are definitely right. They are definitely right. All right, take that little piece off of there. Boom, pull off the documentation. Let me see. Okay. All right, so this is a AT&T variant. So get the AT&T information, quick transfer information from my other phone, and I get a SIM ejection tool. Put all this over here. Ooh, here is the beautiful phone, but I'm gonna put it right here for right now. And now I'm gonna put it right here. Okay. Actually, let me put it over here. Put it right here. All right, pull off this. This is the Galaxy Z Premier service. Huh. Your Galaxy foldable device comes with specialized customer care services designed to deliver the best possible product experience to our valued customers. Oh, very nice, very nice. So I guess I get some, you get Galaxy Z concierge service, and you get one screen replacement, a one-time out of warranty screen replacement for $149 plus tax. So, not too bad. Not too bad. All right, got a SIM card. All right, we have a, let's pop right up. We got a USB-C to USB-C. We have a little charging wall wart over there. And I think that's it. Okay, I'm going to close this and they're going to switch positions. Okay, whew, guys, this feels so good. So, the care instructions. All right, do not press the screen or the front camera lens with a hard or sharp object, such as a pen or fingernail. Doing so could result in product damage, such as scratches or dents. I will not be doing that, definitely not doing that. When folding the device, make sure there are no objects such as cards, coins, or keys placed in between the screens, as doing so may damage the screen. I mean, you think some of this stuff is common sense, but the device is not dust or waterproof. Exposure to liquid or small particles such as water, coffee, or sand may cause product damages such as scratches or dents in the screen. Do not remove the screen protector film and do not install other films or stickers, as doing so may cause damage, product damage. Your device contains magnets. Keep a safe distance between your device and objects that may be affected by magnets such as credit cards and implantable medical devices. If you have any implantable medical devices, consult your physician before use. All right, guys, I know you wanted to hear all that, so see the back of the phone, that color is so nice, so nice, so nice. Let's was satisfying. That was satisfying. All right. So again, turn it over. Look at that. Look at that. All right. Okay, so you have your power button and fingerprint scanner, your volume rocker right here. I think we got a mic right there, speaker grill, of course, your SIM card and speakers, another mic, and you have your USB-C port right there for charging and all kind of data. And then here you have your whole camera system. I mean, it's not like it's hiding, it's a whole camera system. All right, so now we're gonna do the first boot up. Ooh, put you right there. Man, I am so excited. I had the Galaxy Fold original, the OG, and I really loved it. And it was hard for me to give it back, but I gave it back, and I decided not to go ahead and purchase it because I was deep into the Apple ecosystem. But you know, I decided that, you know, hey, I'm gonna give it a try. I've been using Android for a while, and I've been enjoying it actually. So I haven't had an inkling or anything to go back to iOS right now. So, you know. All right, guys. I mean, I'm gonna go ahead and set this up and play with it, and I will have plenty of reviews coming out. I'm gonna drop a review of this device in a couple days. Just my initial thoughts. I'm going to go ahead and just put together some comparisons with some other phones, and if you have anything else that you guys want to see, you know, drop some ideas for me in the comments. You know, I'm open to anything. All right, guys, that's it. If you found value in this video, if you could smash the like button and click the subscribe button and the notification bell so you don't miss out on any new content I release. As always, this is Jason, and I'll catch you in the next one.